Workers have bad days in their careers, but none as bad as this Belgian F-16 jet technician. A 30mm bullet from an M61 gun on a plane costs about $30, but it can bring down $1 million plane, and if the same bullet destroys your own plane, what worse day could you have? This is what happened in 2018 during routine maintenance of an F-16 jet over Florence Air Base, Belgium. A technician mistakenly fired M61 gun. Unfortunately, there were other F-16 standing in front of the plane, one of which was being refueled. While refueling, the gunfire set the refueling plane on fire. By the time firefighters arrived, the plane was fully engulfed in highly flammable fuel, along with another $18 million F-16 parked next to it. The official press statement did not mention the misfire. The media only reported that 2 of our planes were gutted due to the fire, but the news spread about $1 million loss due to a technician's error. 2 planes were burnt to ashes for no reason. Fortunately, no one died in this incident, but after a thorough inquiry, the technician was punished.